Hello students. So today under light reflection and refraction we are going to solve some of the problems. Under that first question I have considered, it is desired to obtain an erect image of an object using concave mirror of focal length 12 centimeter. So here they only given what is the mirror we have to use. We have to use this concave mirror of focal length. The focal length of a mirror is also given, that is 12 centimeter. So let me just summarize this. So they have given, so this is the pole and this is the focus and this is the center of curvature. So the distance between the focus and the pole have given, that is 12 centimeter. Focal length is given using concave mirror. Okay. What should be the range of object distance in above case? That means where should be the object should be placed, so that here see the condition. We have to obtain an erect image. So you know what is the meaning of erect image. Erect image, if you want to form, means where should be the object should be placed. You know, only in the case of concave mirror, whenever I have kept the object between the focus and as well as the pole, then only I'll be getting the image formation will be erect image. That is, it is forming behind the mirror and it will be in a upright position. That is how erect image is. So where should be the range of object distance in above cases? So in this above cases, so what is the answer? What is the range should be? Range means between what and what I should place an object here. So in this case, the answer should be the range of an object here is between 0 to 12 centimeter. Okay, why it is 0 to 12 centimeter? You know, this pole we are going to consider it as origin. Origin means this is 0 position. You know, distance between the pole as well as focus is, that is the focal length given is 12 centimeter. So 0 to 12 centimeter, that means I can write between 0 to 12 centimeter, or I can write between P and as well as F, that is between the pole as well as focus. Then object should be placed so that you will be getting an image formation which is erect and as well as which is virtual image. Okay, that is about the first question answer. So now let me go with the second one. Will image be smaller or larger than an object? Draw the ray diagram to show the image formation. Whether you will be getting smaller image or larger image whenever you are considering a erect image in the case of concave mirror. You know, in the case of concave mirror, the image which is forming erect, that is behind the mirror, will be larger than object. And now we have to show the ray diagram to explain this. So this is how the image will be forming in the case of concave mirror. So concave mirror I have drawn. I have named that concave mirror as M and N, and now I have kept an object at between this F and as well as P, that is 0 to 12 centimeter. I have kept an object. So I have to draw this ray diagram and direction of light entering to the mirror, direction of light exiting from the mirror. That should be very important. And also here another one ray I have considered through the pole here. Whenever it is through pole, the direction should be here, and the image will be forming behind the mirror, that is virtual image is forming. So that is how. And A and B, height of the object, A dash and B dash is the height of the image formation. And here for the ray diagram I have mentioned as E. All these things should be perfect if you want to get the full marks in the drawing the ray diagram to show the image formation. So this is about the second question, which is with the ray diagram. I have said larger images form. Larger image formed. Okay. So now let us go with the third question. What is the third one here? Where will be the image of this object be if it is placed at 24 centimeter in front of the mirror? Now here 12 centimeter, I'll draw once again rough diagram. So this is focus and the pole. Okay, this distance between them is 12 centimeter, means if for instance I have kept an object at 24 centimeter, So since focal length is 12 centimeter, minus 12 centimeter, because concave mirror means negative 12 centimeter, then where will be the object or where will be the image formation whenever I kept an object at 24 centimeter? Now you have to understand what is this 24 centimeter. So the clue here is 24 centimeter they have mentioned means 24 centimeter is double 12 centimeter. That means 12 into 2 if you have done, you will be getting minus 24 centimeter. That is u value minus 24 centimeter, because it is negative. Always object distance should be minus 24 centimeter. Now if it is minus 24 centimeter means where the object is placed. Yes, that is R. Radius of curvature formula is, you know, that is 2 times F. Isn't it? So that is 2 into minus 12. If you have done, you will be getting minus 24. Now, radius of curvature, there it is means where the object should be placed. Yes, the object should be placed at center of curvature. So whenever object that is 24 centimeter they are saying means the object here placed is at center of curvature. So whenever this is 12 centimeter means double of 12 centimeter is 24 centimeter. Double of F is nothing but it is at the center of curvature. So what is the answer for third one is it is at the center of curvature. So object is placed at center of curvature. So and also if the object is placed at center of curvature means where the image will be formed, image will also be formed at image is also at C. Okay, so this is the answer for the first three questions. First question, where should be the range of object in above cases? That is the first one. Second one, whether image will be larger or smaller. Next, third question, where will be the image of object if it is object is placed at the 24 centimeter in front of the mirror. Now let us go with the second question. The image of an object formed by a mirror is real, inverted, and its magnification is -1. So real and inverted image they are saying means it is concave mirror. If the image is at a distance of 40 centimeter from the mirror, where is the object is placed here? So let us solve the first thing what they have given. So since magnification they have given -1. Now only you may have guessed it. If it is magnification is 1 means that is concave mirror is there. That is why magnification is -1 is there. And 1 is representing means you may have guessed that if it is image is at 40 centimeter means obviously the object will be at 40 centimeter. Then only you are getting the magnification as 1. So image V value is -40 centimeter because it is real and inverted image. So now let me substitute the formula. M is equals to minus V divided by U. M is equals to -1 minus of -40 divided by U. So you will be getting 40 divided by U -1. So U value will be getting -40 centimeter. So object and image at the same size means where the object is placed. So for the first one you take it as object is placed at C. C means at the center of curvature only you are getting object distance is equals to image distance. So now the first condition we have proved it. Now let us go with the second one. Where would be the image be if the object is moved 20 centimeter towards the mirror? That means so P, F, C. So since the object is placed 40 centimeter, image is also forming there itself. Now if I have moved the object, 20 centimeter towards the mirror. Now if it is 20 centimeter towards the mirror means without calculation you will be seeing, because you know this is between center and as well as pole is nothing but you are going to see it as radius of curvature, isn't it? So that is radius here. Since between center and the pole they have given as 40 centimeter, So you can use this. R is equals to 2F. So F is equals to R divided by 2. That is 40 divided by 2. You will be getting 20 centimeter. So what is the question given? It is 20 centimeter only. So that means where I have to keep the object here. So I have to keep the object here is at the focus I have to keep. So this is the one thing how we are able to find it out. Another one thing how we can able to do it means you know V value, you know U value. So by this formula, mirror formula 1 by F is equals to 1 by V plus 1 by U. You can use this formula 1 by minus 40 plus 1 by minus 40. You will be getting as 20 centimeter. Focal length you will be getting as minus 20 centimeter, isn't it? Now, if you have got this focal length is minus 20 centimeter means object should be placed for the second one. For the second one, object should be placed at focus, isn't it? If it is 20 centimeter, they are saying means the object I have to place it at focus. Now, if I have placed an object at focus, see the question what they have given. Where would be the image be if the object is moved 20 centimeter towards the mirror? State the reason and also draw the ray diagram for new position of object to justify your answer. That means if I have known that I have to keep the object at the focus. Now if I have known that object should be kept at the focus means where the image will be forming here. This is the new ray of diagram. So if it is at the focus means, so you can see it how the image will be forming. This is the one thing. So this is one other one. You have to show the ray diagram. Arrow marks should be there. So mirror arm and N here. And also this is E I'll consider. Okay. So image will be forming where? Infinite. So image is formed at infinity. Okay. So by this we have known that all the parameters what they have as everything we have cleared it. So first thing they have given the magnification here. By the magnification you are able to find out where will be the object is placed. So object where it has to be placed here. So that object is to be at the center of C, that is at the center of curvature. Now if I have moved the object, that means for 20 centimeter means where the image will be formed. So if I have moved the object to 20 centimeter means object should be kept at the focus. If the object is kept at the focus means the image which is forming will be at infinity position. Okay, I hope everyone have understood this. So based on this, like this problem, similar to this problem, I have given you the worksheet. Try to do it. If any doubt is there means we will discuss in a live session. Thank you.